How to change hotspot name on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, launch the settings application on your device, and here if you tap on personal hotspot, you will not see the option to change the hotspot name anywhere. So in order to change the name, go back to settings homepage and tap on general and then on about. Here you will see the option for a name. Tap on that and then go ahead and erase the existing name and further make the necessary changes. Now tap on done at the bottom right of your screen and go back, and with this your hotspot name will be changed. So this is how you can change hotspot name on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.